it's important as to how we see the public in a snapshot kung ano ang kanilang sentimiento. At sa nakita namin sa survey, mabigat na mabigat yung pagkiling sa laban kay Chief Justice. Of of the 52% that have formed an opinion, 9 out of 10 of them have actually adjudged the Chief Justice as being guilty.
Ito yung nagpapakita rin na yung taong nanonood dito sa impeachment ay naniniwala sa ebidensya na nailatag ng prosecution. Bagamat masabi po natin maraming batikos natanggap ang prosecution, this shows that the prosecution did its job in presenting the evidence that the impeachment judges should consider, when the time comes. So,
very confusing na yung mga survey na yan. In fact, as you know, some weeks ago, meron naman survey strongly in our favor na pinutol nung pumapalo na yata ng 70% yung acquittal and so forth. So, I think the point is, hindi naman natin mapipigil yan. Kung gusto nila mag-survey, fine, that's your right, no? But as far as we're concerned, we're looking at law and the evidence. At the end of the day, pag credible yung evidence mo, paniniwalaan yun. And I think we have slowly but surely established that there are many things about this case which should not have even been allowed in the first place. Yan ang unang problema dyan. Second problem is now you're seeing yung tinatawag namin na little bits and pieces, binubuo namin yung building blocks. You have to remember, parang ang gusto, i-explain namin yung bawat transaction. Eh di ganun ang gagawin natin.